In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Shopify with Notion using Zapier. This process will allow you to automate tasks between these two platforms seamlessly, enhancing your workflow and productivity. Start by navigating to the Zapier homepage. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will help maintain a smooth experience while setting up the integration. Once you are on the homepage, look for the Create button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this button to begin. After clicking Create, you will be directed to a new screen. This is where you will set up what Zapier calls a Zap. Next, locate the Zaps option on the left-hand menu and click on it. This section contains your existing Zaps and allows you to create new ones. Once you are in the Zap section, find and click on the Copilot option. This feature assists you in building your Zap by providing suggestions and guidance. After selecting Copilot, you will see a prompt to enter your desired integration. Type Notion to Shopify in the search bar that appears. Next, click on the Start Building button that appears after you enter your integration. This action will take you to the setup page for your new Zap. On this page, look for the Notion app in the available apps list and click on it to proceed with the integration. After selecting Notion, you'll be prompted to choose a trigger event. This event determines what action in Notion will initiate the Zap. Click on the drop-down menu and select Updated Properties and Data Source item to specify the trigger for this integration. Once you have selected the trigger, the next step is to choose New Data Source item. This option allows you to define the specific data that will be sent from Notion to Shopify when the trigger occurs. After making this selection, you will be prompted to set up your account. Click on the Account option to link your Notion account. To connect your Notion account, click on the Connect Notion button. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to log into your Notion account. Ensure you have your login credentials ready. After successfully logging in, confirm the connection to allow Zapier to access your Notion data. Now return to the setup page and select the Shopify app from the available list. Similar to the previous steps, you will need to choose an action event for Shopify. Click on the drop-down menu and select Create Product. This action will create a new product in your Shopify store based on the data from Notion. After selecting the action event, click on Create Product again to confirm your choice. This will lead you to the account setup for Shopify. Click on the account option and then select Connect Shopify to link your Shopify account with Zapier. A pop-up will appear prompting you to enter your Shopify login details. Make sure you have this information ready for a smooth connection process. Once you have logged in and established the connection, your Shopify account will be ready to receive data from Notion. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.